kayo kung paano ginagawa yung tamago sa mga ramen? Yung Korean version nito, ang tawag naman is Mayak Eggs. This is my son's ultimate favorite kaya I'll show you how to make it. First, boil lang natin yung eggs natin for 6 minutes. Make it 7 minutes kung ayaw nyong super liquid yung gitna. Once done, i-ice bath lang natin yung mga eggs. To make the marinade, we need soy sauce, water, sugar, chicken powder, lots of garlic and spring onions, dark soy sauce para mas kumapit yung color sa outer part ng egg, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Mix, then pwede na nating ihalo yung peeled eggs. Better kung mas-submerge pa yung egg, so I added 1/4 cup of water and another tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix lang natin ng konti, then cover and refrigerate. You can enjoy this na after 2 hours. Or these eggs are good for up to 3 days sa ref. We like eating this with rice, tapos lalagyan ng konting sauce yung rice. Pero pwede rin siyang ilagay sa soup. Ito yung fun part dito, yung sa slice mo, then makikita mo how runny yung yolk sa loob. Look how creamy yung egg yolk. Super favorite to ng son ko and binabaon pa niya to sa school. You can put veggies on the side and complete healthy meal na siya. If you want, you can put more sauce and garnish with green onions before serving.